EagleRidge Roofing and Construction, your trusted roofing partner in Utah. Welcome to EagleRidge Roofing and Construction, the premier roofing contractor in Genola, Utah. Serving residential and commercial properties in Genola and surrounding areas like Santaquin, Payson, Spanish Fork, and Salem, we specialize in high-quality roofing solutions that cater to the unique climate challenges of Utah County. At EagleRidge, our certified professionals excel in repairs, replacements, and installations using materials such as asphalt shingles, metal, and tile. We take pride in our attention to detail and transparent communication, ensuring every project is completed with the utmost professionalism. Our residential services include roof installation, repair, maintenance, inspections, and storm damage assessments. We also provide gutter installation, soffit and fascia services, and energy-efficient solutions like ice and water shield installation. For commercial properties, we offer flat roof installations, metal roofing, and TPO, EPDM, and membrane roofing systems. Why choose EagleRidge? We're committed to using only premium materials and delivering exceptional service that meets the needs of each customer. From the initial inspection to the final walkthrough, our process guarantees long-lasting protection and peace of mind. Ready for a roofing consultation? Call EagleRidge today at 801-784-1457 and let's discuss your roofing needs.